This video tutorial I will explain how to get and select a collection and update the document in the collection using find one and update method. In most web applications, when user updates something, they want to see this update reflected on their web page. Without find one and update method, you have to run update operation first, then fetch the latest document using find operation to make sure you are printing the latest version of this object in the web page. The find one and update method allows you to combine these two operations in one, and you can choose which version of the document you want to return using the appropriate option. Here you can see order database. It has a product collection, and product collection has three documents. We will see how to use find one and update method. Here I have defined the class find one and update. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using a Mongo client constructor which accepts host name and port number. Then I am calling get database method of Mongo client object and passing database name as order. It returns order database object. Then I am calling get collection method of order database object and passing collection name as product, and it returns product collection object. Then I am calling find one and update method of product collection object. Here what I am doing is I am setting the price of iPhone as 90,000 and current price is 20,000. This method returns old product document object. Click on refresh and you can see the price is updated to 90,000. But this method returns old product document, which is the older version. So old price was 20,000. We got the document which was older version. Suppose I want to get the updated document, which is the latest document. Then what I have to do is I have to create object of find one and update options, and here I am mentioning return the document after the update. Then I am calling find one and update method of product collection object. Here what I am doing is I am updating the price of the product Alexa as 10,000, and here I am passing option after. After update, whatever document is there, return the document which is the latest document. So if you see, the current price is 6,000. And here I got the latest document. After update, it is 10,000. The price is 10,000. Here you can see it is updated. So here we got the latest document. The price is updated.
You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.